Apollo. Listen. 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 Listen, birds. Listen. Listen. Shh. Listen. Listen, bird. You silly critter. What are you doing? Get back in the yard. Come on. Come on. He's marking his territory again. I thought he was. Excuse me. Yeah. Probably a plum or something. No, it ain't even time for them. Oh yeah, it was. What the fuck? Did you see that shit? Was that an old plum? It was. That was an unripe plum. Look at that. Holy shit. Ah. Can't eat my phone. Look at that shit. What the hell? I guess the rain made it weak in there. Guess it'll be in there. Look at there. Damn. That fell from up there. That makes sense, because, yeah, it's the only branch producing right there. What you doing, boy? What you doing, Apollo? What the hell? Did you eat that? Why be goddamn he did? You shithead. All right now. Did you eat that old plum? Did you eat that plum? You did, didn't you? Was it good? It must have been. Silly critter. I love you too, buddy. All right now. All right.